Hello children, in this video we will cover the moral science chapter Be positive, see positive. So let's understand the meaning of positive. Positive means looking towards the good side. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Your positive actions combined with positive thinking result in success. Let's begin the story. Once two boys were admitted to hospital. Sahil had lost his eyesight in an accident. Tapan had been diagnosed with cancer. So there were two boys who were admitted to the hospital. One was Sahil, who had lost his eyesight, and another one was Tapan, who had been diagnosed with cancer. They both lay in the same hospital's ward by each other's side. Tapan was addicted to sit up in his bed for an hour in the afternoon. His bed was next to the window. You can see Tapan. His bed was next to the window. He did not want to meet anyone. The other boy, Sahil, spent all his time in his bed. He did not want to meet anyone. Even he did not want to talk. Slowly, Tapan got Sahil to be friends with them. Each other became friends. The two boys began to talk for many hours, but Sahil moaned and cried all the time. One day, he said, "Oh, I will never get okay." Another day, he complained, "My parents don't love me anymore too. They have forgotten me. It must be because I have become so useless now." Third day, he howled, "My friends left me alone. They don't visit me often." So every time he think negative. "I have no friends." Tapan consoled him every time quietly and gently. Sometimes he said, "You will get okay. Just do as the doctor uncle says. Take your medicine and be positive." Another day he said, "Your parents are busy. They go to office. Of course they love you." And when Sahil complained about not having friends, Tapan said, "Am I not your friend?" Tapan saw that Sahil was losing his self-esteem day by day. He did not want to take medicines. He did not want to meet anyone. He only cried all the time. Every afternoon, when Tapan could sit up by the window, he would pass the time by describing to his roommate all the things he could see outside the window. Slowly, Sahil began to look forward to these 1 hour periods where his word would be enlivened by Tapan's description. Lively. He explained everything to him about all the activities and colors of the world outside. One day Tapan said, "Outside there is a park with a lovely lake. Ducks and swans are playing in the water while children are sailing in their boats. There are flowers of every color. Oh, I can see many people coming towards the hospital." As Tapan described all this is in exquisite detail, Sahil on the other side of the bed would close his eyes and imagine the scene. Anyhow, days and weeks passed this way. Sometimes Tapan said to Sahil that his friends were playing in the park and waving their well wishes about him. Other times he gave him flowers and gifts, saying that his relatives and friends have left them behind when he had gone for the routine checkup. Sahil could not see anything and anyone. Tapan was also a good mimic. He imitated in different voices, pretending coming from his window so that Sahil would feel he had lots of visitors and people who loved him. Sahil's eye operation was soon scheduled and it went off well. After the operation, Sahil was brought back to his ward. He called out his friend Tapan. The nurse informed him that Tapan had been shifted to the ICU. Sahil got sad, but he was excited as well. Doctor uncle would remove his bandage that afternoon. Then he could see his friends, relatives and parents again. He requested the nurse to allow him to lie down in Tapan's bed near the window. She did as requested. The doctor came and removed Sahil's bandage. Slowly Sahil opened his eyes. He got delighted as he could see the world around now. A minute later, he popped himself up on one elbow to take his first look at the world outside after so many weeks. But what he saw was a blank wall. He asked the nurse, "There is just a wall outside. Where is the lake, ducks, the kids playing?" The nurse was puzzled with Sahil's question. Sahil explained that Tapan always spoke of such wonderful things outside the window, waiting to greet him. "But why did you think he did that?" At last he asked the nurse. The nurse replied with a smile, "Perhaps he just wanted to encourage you and help you get back your self-confidence." So children, always we have to keep a positive attitude. Always we should think a good side of the life. Always be positive, be happy. Thank you.